To summarise then, the Lifeline 18-in-1 multi-tool with two key features for me. It's integrated CO2 inflator and the inbuilt chain breaker tool, chain tool. You don't need to take it off. It's got all the hexes and Torx plus Phillips and flathead screwdrivers that you're going to want. It's got its own inbuilt chain retainer. It's got its spoke keys. It's got a spanner that can be used as a tyre lever and has got the spoke keys built into it, magnetically held, really well made. And quite frankly, if you're using CO2 and you don't want to take an extra inflator, this could very well be the tool for you.